Alright, so now I'm going to reinstall this shingle, the exact same shingle. This is because I know what this shingle is, and even if you, especially if you don't know what it is, if you mix it with another shingle, and there's a do not mix letter from the manufacturer, potentially avoid any warranty that would be on that roof. And we don't and can't do that. We can get in trouble for doing that. Let's make sure it's lined back up appropriately. And then I need some nails. So this is where it gets a little tricky, because you got to be able to lift that shingle up enough to get it back in the spot it's supposed to be. The nail line without, see, you can't do that right there, right? You gotta lift it up. Start a little more. And I just go right to the side of the original. Phone down a roof. You didn't lose it. It was that phone. And this knocking. Bang. Okay, so that's on there. So I can tell you right now already, we've lost sealant strip on there. That's starting to come up. Like it's just not. These are getting creased as it bends up like that. You can see how it buckles. The same thing here.